Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO IQOO 5 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. If you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if your list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.